Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a testing Pinterest recipe for keto bread. I know I've been doing a lot of keto recipes, but I filmed all these recipes before I took that long break and I really like them, so I still want to share them with you guys even though I'm no longer on keto. So without further ado, let's just jump into this recipe. As always, I'm going to leave the Pinterest recipe below with all the links to it. And for the recipe, I did go ahead and double it because I found the bread came out way too flat when I did just a single serving of it, and I want it more of a loaf, not so much a flat bread. So I went in with 3 cups of almond flour as well as some baking powder and some sweetener. I went ahead and used Splenda, that's my favorite sweetener. Then I'm going to take 5 cups, yes, 5 cups of mozzarella. Combine that with 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, and I'm going to melt this in the microwave at 30-second intervals, making sure to take it out every 30 seconds and give it a good mix like I'm doing here, because you want to make sure the heat is really evenly distributed as you are melting it in the microwave. And you're just going to continue melting this at 30-second intervals until everything is evenly melted and combined. It took me about 1.5 minutes to get it completely melted using my microwave, but of course this could change depending on the type of microwave you have and your heat settings. But once it's all melted, we're going to go ahead and add this to our dry ingredients slowly but surely. And then we're just going to go in with our hands and fold it all together, combining as much flour as we possibly can into our cheese mixture. And then once it's combined, we're going to go ahead and add in our eggs. We are going to be needing 4 eggs because these are going to pretty much be all of the liquid we're going to get aside from that cheese. And then again, just using my hands, I'm going to mix it all together. I just found it worked best with my hands. Using a spoon just didn't really get the job done. And then I'm going to add all of the mixture into a parchment paper lined loaf pan. And then using this rubber spatula, I'm just going to go ahead and smooth it out, make it really even. And then we are just going to go ahead and throw this in the oven. You want to bake this at 400 just until a toothpick comes out clean. I found when I was baking it that the top browned really quickly because of all that cheese in there. And if you find it's getting brown too quickly and it's not fully cooked through, just tent it with some tin foil and that should help prevent it from getting too brown. Because as you see here, my bread looks like it's done, but it actually was still a little bit undercooked. And I honestly thought it was done because the top looked done and the knife came out somewhat clean, but once I cut into it, it needed just a tad longer. But anyways, I'm going to just loosen it with the knife by running it along the sides, and then we're going to cut into this beautiful loaf. And as I said at the beginning, this came out really nice. It really had a bread-like texture. It was really cheesy from adding all that cheese in, but it still wasn't too overpowering because we did use mozzarella, and it had a really crispy exterior, which was really nice. And yeah, I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you try it, let me know in the comments below. And until next time guys, bye!